We are working on a 1970 Dart today, and our goal is to swap out the OEM alternator for a chrome-plated reproduction. So the alternator we'll be swapping in today is an RZ alternator, labeled BT20C2. It has 3 terminals on it, 1R, 2F, and battery. The OEM alternator has 3 cables as well, 1 for the battery, 2 labeled fields. So we're gonna figure out whether we can mount this one, if it'll mount stock, and where the wires go. All right, so main issue so far is that the original alternator that came off of the Dart has this style mount. The wiring should be okay. This is the new RZ style, which should have been a reproduction, but has a different style mount. So we're gonna have to build something. So first step's gonna be getting these 2 bottom holes mounted. We're gonna build this section first, and then it's got an angle on it. So we're gonna do the angle afterwards. We'll probably tack it while it's on the engine. This is the OEM bracket off of the Dart. So we have our first piece of our custom bracket. We had to notch it out for the water hose right here. So I'm gonna go ahead and mount this up. We're gonna do a spacer, probably a little smaller than this one, but this is just for testing purposes. So that'll mount there like that. And we're gonna weld on this piece right onto here, and that'll give us our mount. We'll drill a hole right here, bring it on down in and show them. So we are on day 2 of building the custom mount, and our goal is to turn this bad boy into that bad boy. So, got my second piece tacked on there. Gotta cut it to length and drill my hole. Okay, so we're all mounted up as far as alignment, but next problem. External fan.